Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. This quote is by Robert Blunt. Remember that there's a part of life for which you are the explanation. That's a beautiful thing. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 259, Nasdaq up 82, S&P's up 29, gold contract up $8.50, traded at $1,302 an ounce. Silver up 15 cents at $18.35 an ounce. Platinum up 11 bucks at $1,284 an ounce. Copper down 3.5 pennies at $2.57 a pound. Light sweet crude off $1.22, trading out at $46.55 a barrel. Bonds, you had the 10-year down 10 ticks, trading out at 129.04. You had the 30-year off 12 ticks at 148.23. And King Dollar, folks, up 1,525 ticks. Monster move by King Dollar. Breakout top side, 94.67. The euro down 275 at 113, and the yen trading up 64 at 118.61. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. We'll start with the SPY, folks. We take a look at the SPY out here. This is what we have happening inside the SPY. SPY has movement out here today in a large way. No doubt the price movement out here was there, folks. We did 159 million shares out here. SPY was up $3, trading out at 206.10. What the SPY did manage to do, we got over the swing point of 205.48. That was the, actually, let me bring this. I have this on a weekly. I'll put this on a daily. Yes. So you got over the swing point here of this, what's it be? Oh, there it is right there. Okay. Of the 205.48, that's where the downdraft was. That's where we had 214 million shares. So you come down to 214, you're up with 159. That's saying it's still weakness. You close over it, though, that's saying you're going to go up to 206.42. And right now we're at 206.10. And we'll see how it attacks that. Realistically, you're right next to these highs. The highs are only 208.97. The 3Qs, and we'll look at the NDX 100 through the 3Qs. What you have with the 3Qs, 3Qs also had the price spread out here today. We had volume on the 3Qs of 40 million, which isn't bad. It's had been going down at 52, but it's still not a bad setup there, meaning 40 million on the way up. You're at 104.03, and 104.03, what that sets up is that 125.25 is game, which was the December 29th high. The 106 isn't game yet, but what we do have is that bottom line, that swing point more than likely is going to get tested. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold wants to move higher also. The movement with the dollar is pretty incredible out here, folks. But bottom line is that even with that movement with the dollar, gold contract wants higher price. So we'll see how this baby's going to shake out. But gold certainly moved. Sorry about that, folks. Just there she is. Okay, so gold moved out here today. We're at 1303.60, and gold also wants to run up to this 1340 area. So the last swing high out here, 1323 rather. Yeah, at 1302. 1323 is game out here. And we're coming into a Friday. So coming into a Friday in the gold market is always when gold is up, it wants to go higher. When gold is lower on a Friday, guess what? It wants to go lower, because what you do have is that who's going to hold the bag over the weekend. That's what's going on. Silver. Silver also wants higher price. Silver moved out here about 20 cents today. Has the price move? Has it all. Bond market. What do we have with bonds? Well, what bonds have done, folks, is this. Highly volatile out here this morning, as the markets were, by the way. When the ECB came out and actually did their formal announcement of the $53 billion in QE each and every month. Bottom line, bonds got down to a price point of 128.23, then rejected it. We've done, on the 10-year out here, we've done 1.6 million contracts. It's going to need more than that to break down because it's going into a 1.74 to be exact. So we'll see how that shakes out tomorrow morning. King Dollar. King Dollar basically did it all out here today. King Dollar had some heavy movement to the top side, and I'm talking about heavy movement. King Dollar out here, when the QE was announced, you had the volatility inside of a King Dollar, did 59,000 contracts. Now, what King Dollar didn't have, and this was pretty crazy, actually, King Dollar should have had probably, I'd expect like 100,000 contracts, 80,000 contracts. We did 80,000 contracts January 15th. You know, it's amazing we only did 50,000 contracts. But bottom line, did 59,000 contracts, went topside. If you take a look at this on a longer-term basis now, and because we were dealing with it, you know, I was talking about it took 9 years and 2 months in order to get to the swing point that it was at, and that's what it had been testing. It was testing that swing point from 05. That was 92.53. Right now, you're 2 points over that. The next highest swing point up here is a lot higher. Well, actually, it isn't a lot higher. I see. No, it is. It's 99. The bottom of this, yeah, the next highest swing point is 99.56. So you're talking a big number from where we are right now. The divergence out there still is that with King Dollar going higher, gold going higher, silver going higher, you know, is gold a new currency, period? Not a new currency, but is it acting, trading like a currency? And it certainly is right now. Starbucks, SBUX, just come up with numbers here. Let's go see what Starbucks is doing. Starbucks, there she is. Starbucks closed at 83. That's trading at 85 right now. Good old Starbucks, SBUX. Let's see what Starbucks has to say. Numbers on Starbucks go like this. They match the first profit. They match, oh, there she is. They match the numbers. Okay, so their bottom line estimate was 80 cents. They made 80 cents. Their sales, check this out. This is pretty intense. Same store sales, folks, went up. Comp sales went up 5%. That's huge. It's amazing, actually, because it's not like their stores are small. Their stores are so crowded, it's amazing as it is. Their net revenue was $4.8 billion in 90 days. Check that out, $4.8 billion in 90 days. That's a big number. There's no doubt about it. No two ways about that. Huge, huge numbers. Maximum integrated MXIM. Maximum integrated, that closed at 33. That is trading from 33 to, no, it's trading at 34.50 right now. MXIM, let's see what they're saying about MXIM. Okay, so numbers go like this. The revenue number was 567 million. They're looking at next quarter coming out at 565 to 605. Their net revenue, this is interesting, it's trading up good, but their net revenue is actually down. The second quarter net revenue is down. Their gross margin is 60%. Bottom line is that they get higher price going. ISRG, Intuitive Surgical. Now this is going to be fun watching how this one trades, folks. Most of the time you see like insane moves with this. Thus far we don't have that. Thus far it closed at 525, and right now you have it trading at 527, which is really unusual. It was up $7 today. We'll give you those numbers as soon as we come back. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Dow Industrials finished up 259. Nasdaq up 82. S&P's up 30. We're going to be right back.